Father, forgive me for my sins. Timbi my memes aliakiza. This was preaching Jesus on my ways. Uzube nami baba msize. Father, forgive me for my sins. Timbi my memes aliakiza. This was preaching Jesus on my ways. Uzube nami baba msize, umsize.
Father, forgive me for my sins. Bomama bomthandazo nisibeke nangolwesine. Sibonge Nkosi masexile, phela impilo umusa hayi ngoba nakususile. Abafethu bahambile emhlabeni, sele siyavunywa kuthiwa sihambile empilweni. Baba usivikele emaweni, nabafethu babambe emabewela.
Father, forgive me for my sins. Timbi my memes aliakiza. This was preaching Jesus on my ways. Uzube nami baba umsize. Father, forgive me for my sins. Timbi my memes aliakiza. This was preaching Jesus on my ways. Uzube nami baba umsize, umsize.
Yeah, how the hell a nigga did this? Lord, I'm here trying to ask for forgiveness. Should've died in the crash, it was sickness, but I'm still alive looking back at the mischief. But I never missed this. The past that ain't gone, they always looking like I've been a nigga that ain't strong. I used to cry for my life, nigga, that ain't wrong. A nigga blind by the lights, nigga, that ain't on. Nah, thank God for my life right now. I'm getting everything I like right now. How a nigga killing on the mic right now, and a whole lot of things that I cannot write down. I'm a boss right now, getting everything I lost right now. Trying to win it in the cost right now. So somebody trying to get up on my level, I'ma kill you for the ground, just to let them know the cost right now.
Ambuye ndikuona, ambuye ndikuti mkhululuki. Sijolinga changa kuma situations, ambuye ndikuti mkhululuki. Zakwe say,
Father, forgive me for my sins. Timbi my memes aliakiza. This was preaching Jesus on my ways. Uzube nami baba umsize. Father, forgive me for my sins. Timbi my memes aliakiza. This was preaching Jesus on my ways. Uzube nami baba umsize, umsize. King Libra, Timbi my memes aslala phansi zonke siginqidyo. Keep it up, thina sibanja fara silale siginqidyo. Himila, shona khona noma kodwa kusuka izolo shosha loss. Khala zome mdyaka mase, khala zonke siphaphala. Zonke siyazi sifeli sakhe, inyembe zama sifeli phansi. Phatha ngihole kanti ingane umzala soza dlala ingala. Rapha phansi khala ingala. Wathi bekezela mntanami, lezinto siyawujika boqhale ubeke isenti la emsamo. Lezimo ziyabika otherwise uqala ijele mntanami. Engekho ngakhipha so baba sethelele mazama.
Father, forgive me for my sins.